National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Houston County in southeastern Minnesota, eastern Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 5 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Grove, or 10 miles west of Caledonia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Houston and Rushford around 4:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rushford Village, Mount Prairie, Money Creek, Highland, and Newburgh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Fillmore and Houston,